Hey guys, let's make a healthy snack perfect for getting fit. So today I am making my version of a Snickers bar, only it's going to be healthy. And I'm going to start by measuring out half a cup of dark chocolate chips or dark chocolate of any kind. And then for some protein, I am going to add in some peanut butter. It's better if it's natural peanut butter, but use whatever you have on hand. Then we are going to add a splash of water to this and melt it in 30-second increments until it is fully melted. While that is going, I'm going to bash up some of my nuts so that I can add them on top for some extra protein. Bash, bash, bash. And I was just thinking about this now, but I guess it could be more like a Reese's peanut butter cup with additional peanut. And it sounds good whether it's Snickers or Reese's to me, but we'll just give this a quick stir. Looks like it's almost fully melted, so I'll pop it back in another 10 to 20 seconds. If you feel like it's not going to melt fully, just keep stirring because it'll eventually melt and become perfectly smooth, like mine is here, and it only took 45 seconds of microwaving. Let me show you. That is kind of what we're going for here. So with the melted chocolate mixture complete, I am going to add in some of the nuts and I'm going to top the rest on top of our healthy Treatos. So now what I am going to do is I am going to take a date and I'm going to find the open cup and I'm just going to open these up. I'm sure if you did want to open all of these like I'm doing and stuff them with the chocolate mixture, then you could always just dip them in and kind of have like a dipped date situation going on. And if you have someone who's allergic to peanut, you can always do something like sunflower butter and then just stuff it with sunflower seeds or like pumpkin butter even and stuff it with pumpkin seeds. And now that I have these all opened, all I am going to do is take a small amount of that chocolate and put it on top of the date. And just a small amount, you don't need a lot. And now simply to finish these off, I am just going to add a couple of nuts so people know that there are nuts in it, just in case they have allergies. And then just for a little added flair, if you choose to do so, you can sprinkle the remaining nuts on top and it'll make it look nice and pretty. Let me give you a nice shot of this. And it is your choice whether you want to serve these hot and cold. And I am going to do it hot because it is winter here. And let's try. These are so good. If you like a bit of a darker chocolate, then I highly recommend you make these. The combination of the sweet date with the dark chocolate with the like nutty, buttery peanut butter is so good together. I really wish I had thought of these sooner. And if you want to try these out, just check out this recipe right here. I'll leave it in the description box below. And it is so easy and so quick to make. And until next time, a banana.